I'm just gonna raw dog this right here. To do that, here to appreciate culinary delight shared by others. I'm probably gonna use Linktree. I'm like, all right, I want to work out, right? So I think that's a good motivation. Transformation, dude. Yeah, how to make a website. Bam. They made it look so easy on YouTube. Now they even got some AI assistant plugin. Yeah, that needs work. This needs an entire overhaul. Personal website. Yep, Stardew. Fuck yeah. And then I was gonna post this that I got from ChatGPT. Am I gonna do it? Maybe. Yeah, that needs work too. Like, yeah, people visited, no one bought. I don't even have my own product. So that's the current team I have. Yeah, this is a team I bought, but I still didn't freaking set it up yet. People messaging, cause yeah, they saw it. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. That's my stuff for currently. That's what I did, or that's what I'm doing. I saw some dude on YouTube, I think his name was Jay Sushi, so I tried copying him, get more organized. Gold potatoes, caffeine. Yeah. Stalking other people, look like they're using Linktree. Yeah, that's my idol right there. Yep, I'm definitely gonna make one. Let's click it for funsies. Yeah, hurry up. Damn. Alright. That's mine. Trying to condense my profile stuff. This guy. Damn. Jesus. Fuck. Yeah, that's next level. Damn. That's incredible. And when I move, I want this. Yeah, we go to the gym, but I want something instant. Instant. Oh yeah, my girlfriend got me this. Hello, dude. Yeah, that's my mom. With my dad's name. That's how she guessed them. Anyway, let's see what's going on over here. All right.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's my dad. Surprise present. That's Josh, yeah. That's me over there hiding. Yeah. Oh man, that was good. When was this? Yeah, let me go. How do you rewind that? Yeah, I don't even know, but that was around my dad's birthday. June 5 is my birthday, my dad's June 2nd. Yeah, that was fun. We only had 2 hours of sleep working at FedEx. Come back here, go work the next day. That was great. Oh wait, let me try to add my mom, because I made this Facebook. Yeah, you can't even add her. What the Anyway, thumbs up. Oh, I missed. Yeah, buddy. Oh, there's my dad. What the Okay, September 11. Alright, speech is happening. Dad making speech. Damn, okay, what's going on? Projects. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm hungry. I had a friend, yeah. Alright, I think we're done here. Oh wait, let's see. What? Oh, I create my story? Yep. Copying my dad's footsteps, I gotta step it up. Yeah, it's messy. I really want a Linktree. Yeah, I'll have one friend. Yeah. Alright. Girlfriend did that.